Would you dare to step inside a billionaire's futuristic home of 2030? What if your home wasn't just a place to live, but a self-thinking organism, floating on water, shifting with the climate, and anticipating your every desire before you even whisper it? Our current homes, they are fragile. Walls crack, roofs leak, and every storm feels like a threat. Rising seas, unpredictable climates, and endless energy needs make them unsustainable. The truth is, our homes today were never built for the storms of tomorrow. They shelter us, yes, but they cannot protect us. They consume energy instead of creating it, waste resources instead of restoring them. And while most of us struggle with homes that fight against nature, the elite of 2030, they're already stepping into something entirely different. Homes that sense danger before it strikes. Homes that generate their own water, grow their own food, and shield families like living guardians. These aren't fantasies, they are prototypes, real sanctuaries of the future. And soon, they won't just belong to the elite. They could belong to all of us. Now, let's step inside. The entrance itself is not just a door, it's a biometric AI gateway. As you approach, it recognizes your presence, scans your heartbeat, and instantly adjusts the temperature to your comfort. The walls glow with soft, personalized light, while the air shifts with fragrances tied to your memories: lavender for calm, citrus for energy, pine for nostalgia. Every arrival feels less like entering a house, and more like stepping into your own private universe, built just for you. Imagine walking into a living room where the walls aren't walls at all, they're alive. With a single command, they dissolve into 360-degree screens, wrapping you in any world you choose. One moment, you're sipping coffee overlooking the glittering skyline of Tokyo. The next, you're drifting beneath the glowing rings of Saturn. This isn't just decor, it's an escape, a portal, an experience designed to match your mood. A billionaire's living room isn't static furniture and paint, it breathes, it shifts, it responds. Wouldn't you want a space that doesn't just hold you, but carries you anywhere your imagination dares to wander? Step into this kitchen and forget everything you thought cooking was. Here, you don't chop, stir, or stress, the AI chef does it all. Sleek robotic arms glide across the counters, preparing meals worthy of Michelin stars, while holographic nutritionists stand beside you, analyzing your body's needs and balancing your diet in real time. The kitchen doesn't just feed you, or it learns you. It knows your cravings before you even feel them, turning hunger into anticipation. Would you trust a space that cooks not only for your body, but for your soul? Just imagine, would you sleep here? Picture a bedroom gracefully submerged beneath the ocean's surface, where your entire ceiling is a living portal to another world. Dolphins glide silently above you, their movements a slow, soothing ballet. The water shimmers with the otherworldly glow of 1,000 tiny plankton, like submerged stars twinkling just for you. In this profound silence, broken only by the gentle, rhythmic pulse of the sea, even billionaires don't count their money, they simply breathe, let go, and fall into the most peaceful sleep of their lives. This isn't a room, it's a return to wonder. And above it all, a living sky garden blooms in perpetual perfection. AI-controlled micro-weather systems craft your ideal climate on demand, crisp roses blooming in the heart of winter, delicate cherry blossoms showering petals in summer's heat. Here, nature isn't left to chance, it's thoughtfully programmed. Seasons bend to your whim, beauty responds to your mood. This isn't a garden you visit, it's a world you command, a living dream where every day is exactly the kind of beautiful you need it to be. Imagine living in a place where the walls actually heal themselves from scratches and scuffs, like living skin. But it gets even wilder. The rooms themselves can change size based on what you need. Throwing a huge party? Watch as your bedroom gracefully expands into a stunning, spacious ballroom. Craving some quiet time? The very same room softly collapses into a cozy, intimate pod, perfectly built for one. It's like your home is no longer just a structure, it's a direct extension of your imagination, fluidly reshaping itself to match your life, moment by beautiful moment. This is no ordinary spa, it's your personal sanctuary, reimagined. The moment you step in, AI gently scans your stress levels and crafts a therapy experience just for you. Imagine standing under a cascading waterfall of purified, oxygen-rich air. Or closing your eyes as a serene holographic guide leads you through a meditation tailored to your mind. Soft sound frequencies pulse in rhythm with your own heartbeat, syncing technology with biology. Here, stress doesn't just fade, it can't exist. This is healing, not bought, but breathed. And step into the garage, but not the kind you know. This one is alive with quiet energy. Cars? A thing of the past. Here, sleek personal flying pods await, hovering silently as they charge wirelessly on sleek magnetic floors. This is the new normal for the visionaries of 2030. They don't drive through traffic, they glide above it, effortlessly and elegantly, turning every journey into a serene, skybound experience. The future isn't on the road, it's in the air. And at the very top, an observatory dome that feels more like a portal to the universe. This is where billionaires don't just glance at the stars, they truly journey through them. Their AI-powered telescope doesn't just show constellations, it streams live cosmic events in breathtaking real time. Imagine sipping a glass of wine while watching a supernova explode in deep space, or witnessing the dance of distant galaxies being born. It's not stargazing, it's time traveling with the cosmos, all without ever leaving home. What if your walls could expand and grow into new rooms? What if your home anticipated your emotions before you even realized them? What if your house could literally travel with you, floating across the globe like a private island? Standing here, you feel it, this isn't just a house. It breathes with you. It's a living being, a silent guardian, a mirror reflecting your deepest dreams back at you. The homes of tomorrow, they aren't built from bricks and mortar. They're woven from something far more profound, intelligence that understands, emotion that connects, an imagination that dares to turn a what if into the what is. This is where a building stops, and a soul begins. This was just one glimpse into the world of elite futuristic living. Imagine what's next: homes that fly, cities that breathe, and AI partners that evolve with us. Subscribe to Next Gen Homes and step with us into the future.